Hello?
Hey,
Hey,
how's it going, Danny?
Lera?
Could we meet? Today at 5, at our cafe. I'll be waiting.
You've almost made it out. You did the really hard thing. You swear it broke you down, but I see a different ending. He's driving his car, and his hand is on your knee. He's looking at you now, wondering what you want. You're staring at the turquoise sky, asking, what do you have there for me? Your daddy always knows. Your mama always loved you. And so the story goes, just like they always told you. You're driving in your car, 'cause you wanna be alone. You're singing some song like a song's gonna save you. And you're looking at the purple sky, maybe, oh, just try. Maybe you'll just go, 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 or you'll never know. It's nothing like you thought. Everything is different. Everyone is new. You're gonna hate it, but you're gonna love it too.
Hey! I wasn't sure you'd actually come.
Your call caught me off guard.
You look so different. I almost didn't recognize you.
So much has happened in the past couple of years.
So, why did you want to catch up after all these years?
I've been thinking about you a lot. We never really got the chance to talk.
But you disappeared, didn't you?
Basically, I lost the baby. 2 months in, it was a miscarriage. And I'm still figuring out how to deal with it.
I'm so sorry. But why didn't you call me earlier?
It's been forever since we talked. I know you haven't forgiven me yet. I felt guilty about it ever since. We should have just talked it through. But I just ran off. Danny, I'm not as brave as you. That night at graduation, we drank so much, but I still remember everything. You kissed me. And everything that happened after that. I got scared of myself, of my feelings, of my desires. And Kirill, he just wouldn't stop trying. 3 months later, he asked me to move in. I moved in with him. But I still missed you. And you never called me either.
How about a walk?
Sure, let's go. That evening, Kirill went after me.
I saw you through the window.
That's when it all started. I clung to him, hiding behind those relationships. He's a good person, really.
Do you love him?
Yeah. What are you up to?
I paint.
Really? That's unexpected.
I'm learning painting and even participating in exhibitions. I'm actually working on one right now, but it's a secret.
Amazing. Maybe I could come to your exhibition. I'd love to see your artwork.
Well, if you promise not to disappear on me again, I'd be happy to invite you.
After the graduation, I worked as a school psychologist for a while. Now I do online consultations from home. Kirill opened his own counseling office. That's how things turned out. And you? How's your personal life?
A year ago, I was in a relationship with a woman. We were together for 2 years, but unfortunately, it didn't work out. Now I'm single and completely into art.
I love you now, I love you always. The story of us on the walls of our hallway. 20 years passed, oh tell me, where did it go? Picture our youth, picture our families. No matter how pure, some could not understand it. Like making sense of stardust, I dare you to try. And oh, how we tried. It's almost like we pulled a diamond straight out of the sky. A truth ignited by that shine in our eyes. Then my love for you and the ones in this room is forever. It's been a long day, love, and I can't.
I was going to.
For the next one.
Going to what?
I was going to call you. But every time I dialed your number, the words kept running through my head. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. Every day, I thought about you. I remembered. I got angry. I hated. Just as much as I wanted to see you again and again. I really missed you.
I thought of you as soon as the sun rose. Gazed at the moon blowing kisses and truth ignited by the shine in our eyes. That my love for you and the ones in this room is forever. It's been a long day of love, and I can't wait for the next one. There's nothing like this simple thing. You and me and four more kin, laying close as the sun hits our skin. We pulled a diamond straight out of the sky. A truth ignited by the shine in our eyes. Oh, that my love for you and the ones in this room is forever. It's been a long day of love, and I can't wait for the next one. It's been a long day of love, and I can't wait for the next one.
Hey,
Hey,
I hope I'm not too late.
not by much.
Do you remember our college days?
Yep, sure.
How carefree those days were. We were happy, free, like the birds.
Find a piece of me you like, break it down until it's white, poison in the brain, crooked as a game. Wash your hands and roll the die, erasing me but you don't mind, 'cause it's all the same. Nothing's gonna change for you but me. My time has come to leave. Spare me your empty grief. I took your bullshit, now unhook me. Love the sin or hate the sin. The only thing you love is when you're standing over me, damning everything. You can learn a couple things. Keep the faith and just believe. That is what you told me. Told you I was listening, but now my time has come to leave. Spare me your empty grief. I took your bullshit, now unhook me.
Hello? Yeah, I remember. Give me 5 more minutes. Danny, I need to tell you something. Kirill and I are leaving the country. He's got a job in Germany and wants us to move there together.
And what do you want?
Our plane is tomorrow. We're flying out tomorrow. I am still in love with you.
Just stay with me.
I can't. I'm sorry. So what are you going to do?
I'll just keep being.
You told me, told you I was listening, but now my time has come to leave. Spare me your empty grief. I took your bullshit, now unhook me. I held my tongue until it died, but now I'm coming back to life and telling you with love. Oh, and now my time has come to leave.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
I took your bullshit, now unhook me. Unhook me. I wasn't looking for love. I had been hurt and had enough. God, this life had been so tough. And after years of being on my own, I got tired of being alone. Your picture came across my phone. I sent you a wink and we talked every day. April 17th, you took my breath away. For the very first time, ever since then, you've been mine, 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 mine. You are strong when I am weak. I'm afraid.
I'm over the moon. You're here by my side right now. I can't believe my eyes. I finally hear your voice in person, not just over the phone. I know a cozy spot where we can chat. Just the two of us.
Keep me safe as we grow older. I will cherish.
How did Kirill let you go?
He never let me go. But I did it anyway.
How long are you here for?
I've come to see you.
You're kidding me, aren't you? What about Kirill?
Dennis, our reunion has turned everything upside down. Since the moment I went to Germany, I couldn't stop thinking about you. I realized I've been in love with you all this time. Because of my foolishness and fears, I married Kirill. I've come to understand it was my biggest mistake. And I have filed for divorce.
Your words, it feels like a dream. I've spent my entire life loving you. But you need to make a decision. Otherwise, I'll keep thinking you could go back to him at any moment. And it'll drive me crazy.
You got that I can't do. I was drowning, I was sinking deep, and then came you. Yeah.
How about coming over to my place? I've got a bottle of wine. We can celebrate your return.
Sure. I think we should slow down for now.
Yeah, you're right. That's absolutely unnecessary. You know I love you, don't you?
I need to go to my sister's. I've packed up my things from Kirill's flat. I'm going to stay with her for a while. Have you got an exhibition?
Yeah, I do, but I can't think about it right now. Not with you here.
So this how you're greeting me?
What are you doing here? Not welcome in Italy anymore.
Why? Can't I miss you?
You? No.
You'll always be mine, Dennis. You'll always be mine, Dennis.
Am I interrupting something?
Well, who is this then?
This is my partner, Lera, and I think it's about time you left.
I've always been your partner, and I'll forever be, like it or not.
Don't talk rubbish. We broke up ages ago. Lera!
She's out of her mind.
Why are you back after a year trying to mess it all up again? Admit it, you don't need me. What's the point of all this? Are you bored or something?
I see you got an exhibition coming up.
Yeah, well, don't you dare show up there. And frankly, I think it's time for you to leave.
Oh, I see. She's the one you were head over heels for, isn't she? Don't come to me all broken-headed when she leaves you again.
Just leave, will you?
I missed you so much this past year. Fine, I'll manage. But you'll always be mine.
Yeva.
Hello?
Hi. Can we talk?
What happened? What's wrong with your voice? Darling, is this because of Kirill?
No. I left Kirill for her and for our love. She was standing there with some woman who even claimed to be her partner.
Wait, have you caught Dennis with someone else?
She lied to me. How could I fall for it?
Oh, my poor girl.
I really don't know what to do anymore.
I'll be free soon. Let's talk at home and you will tell me everything.
All right.
Hello?
Hi, Polina.
Hi, Dennis. I'll be blunt with you. If you don't want to be with my sister, then stop playing games with her.
I do want to be with her. I love her with all my heart, but I need your help.
And how exactly can I help you?
I want to see her and explain everything. Could you talk to her and set up a meeting? Just don't let her know I'll be there. I'll send you the address.
What have you got in mind?
Believe me, nothing. I just want to talk to her and clear things up.
Alright, you'll be done, but only for Lara. We'll figure something out, though I can't make any promises.
That's fine. Thank you so much. Bye for now.
Bye.
A year ago, I was in a relationship with Yeva. We split up many times, but always ended up getting back together. We enjoyed each other's company, but I could never bring myself to truly love her. One day, she told me she had met an Italian woman and was moving in with her. I had no idea she was back, let alone that she would turn up at the studio. You mean the world to me. I want to be with you and no one else.
I want to believe that, but it didn't seem that way to me.
Let's just put it behind us and have a drink to us.
I really thought it was over.
Good morning, my love.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
I finally slept well. Especially here and with you, of course.
I slept well too. How about a walk?
If only for a moment, since we're constantly in motion. Baby, just be with me. Don't mind the crowd, don't mind the scene. Just pretend that no one's watching. And baby, just be with me. Let's just go with it. 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 If maybe just 1 second, just one moment, if we
Can you close your eyes for me?
Why?
Please, just do it for me.
Are you serious?
Just for a second. And keep your eyes closed, alright? You promise?
promise.
For real?
I promise.
So,
baby, just listen. 'Cause when you're somewhere else, you're probably missing. You're missing me, baby, just be.
it's time. Open your eyes. So, will you marry me?
Are you asking me to be your wife?
I love you with all my heart. My greatest wish is to fall asleep and wake up next to you. Make you coffee every day. Take care of you. Love you. And be with you forever. Will you marry me?
I feel the same way.